In this video, I'm talking all about one of the new features from Adobe Premiere Pro 2021, and that is the new and improved Captions workflow. So let's get into it. So before I jump into Premiere and start walking you through how to do this, I first just must say that you have to make sure that you're updated to Premiere 2021. If you're on 2020 or 19, unfortunately this won't work because this is a new update. So make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of Premiere. And once you've got that installed, let's jump into Premiere. So as you can see, I've got this footage on my timeline. This is one of my old videos, and if I play this back, you can see
shining a light on my YouTube workflow.
You can see I've got some audio tied to that. So in order to create some captions for this video, all I have to do is go up into the editing space modes up here. At the moment, I'm set to editing, and we'll just change this to captions. And there you go, you get this text window up here. If that doesn't pop up, then just make sure you go over to text. And if you can't see this for any reason, then just turn text on down here and it should appear right here. So there's this really awesome feature in the new Premiere update, and this is what everybody is talking about. It is the Transcribe sequence button. So pressing that loads up this window, and as you can see, we've got transcription settings, audio analysis. You can either select audio clips tagged as dialogue or audio on track. And I'm just going to select audio track 1, or you could just do a general mix if you've got audio spread over different layers. So I'm just going to go for audio 1 for this example. We'll go language English, so make sure you select the language that you're speaking in the video here. Transcribe in point to out point only, so if you set an in point by selecting I and an out point by selecting O, then it will only transcribe what's in that setting, but I want to transcribe all of this. Then we'll press transcribe, and Premiere will just take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how long your footage or your audio file is, and then it's going to create a transcript of everything that has been said in the video. Now, generally Premiere is 99% spot on with everything that is being said. Now, sometimes there may be a small grammar error or a capital letter might be missing off the start of a brand name, but generally Premiere does a really good job of turning your video and your audio into a transcript. So as you can see, Premiere has created this transcript for the video. So let's just play this back.
In this video, I'm shining a light on my YouTube workflow.
And as I'm playing this video, the text up here is being marked with this blue box. So once you've watched through that and you're happy that this is all in time, you want to go ahead and select Create Captions. You can change the format to subtitle, change the style to none, and you can go ahead and create from sequence transcript. Press OK, and that will take a few seconds, and it's going to turn that into its own subtitle. So let's play this back. So at this point in time, you can go in and you can update the text. So as you can see, there is a spelling error on shoots. It's supposed to be shoot without the S. So we'll get rid of that. And as you can see, these captions that Premiere has created have been put onto their own track up here. So you've got the subtitle track. So if we turn this off, then it's just going to get rid of those. But if we turn this back on, you can see we've got the subtitles down there. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and change the style of this text down here. So we'll select that first caption. So this one here at 002. Then we'll go over into the Essential Graphics Edit tab. If you can't see this, then make sure you select that and press Edit. And then up here, you can either change what's being said. You can change the track style, so you can create your own style. We'll come back to that in a second. We'll change the font to a veneer. You can change the weight of this or make this black. You can increase the size if you like. You can change the paragraph alignment, so you can put this to the left, to the middle, to the right, or justify the caption, but we'll keep this in the middle. Then of course you've got bold, italic, all caps, everything here. And then this one's quite interesting. You've got align and transform, so you can put this in a specific zone. So at the moment it's on the bottom in the center, but you can put this in the bottom right, the top right, the right in the middle. It's completely up to you, but select a zone. I'm going to put it in the bottom left. And of course you can always correct this by just moving these settings here. So if it's not quite where you need it to be, just go ahead and make these adjustments here. Then moving down, you've got the appearance, so we can change the fill color if we like. So let's make this blue just so you can see a drastic change. We can add a stroke, and you can just change the color of the stroke as well. And you can go ahead and increase the size of the stroke by just pulling up this option here. Then you've got a background, so you can add a background to that if you like, but generally I like to avoid the background. And then you can add a drop shadow, but we'll remove that in this example. Now from here, you want to go into track style. We'll go create style. We'll call this blue. Press OK. And then moving forward, you'll notice that all of the captions have been updated to this new blue look.
In this video, I'm shining a light on my YouTube workflow. I'm going to show you how I plan, shoot, and edit these videos.
So as you can see, that is a really quick and easy way to create captions inside of Adobe Premiere. Now, the really awesome thing and the last thing that I'm going to mention in this video is you can export these as text files or SRT files. So if you go up here into the captions window, we'll go to these three dots and we'll go export to SRT file or export to text file. We'll go for an SRT because when you're uploading to captions to YouTube, YouTube generally likes it if you upload an SRT file. So we'll export to SRT file. We'll place this on the desktop. Let's go test captions. Can't spell captions. That will export instantly, so then we just have to go to the desktop. And of course, because this is an SRT file, the computer isn't going to understand what to do with this. But as I said, when you're creating captions for YouTube, rather than manually going through the YouTube captions workflow, just do this, let Premiere transcribe your video for you, export those captions as an SRT file, then just upload those to YouTube. So let me show you how to do that. So we're inside of YouTube and we're editing this specific video. So this is YouTube Studio. And then from here, we're just going to go down into subtitles and that should load up this menu here. Then you can see we've got English, United Kingdom, video language. We'll go into add and that will load up a new menu. And then all you have to do from there is just go upload file. You can go with timing or without timing. And because Premiere puts the time code with the captions, as you could see, the blue box was following along with the text. That means we can do with timing. So we'll go with timing, press continue, and then you just want to navigate to that SRT file, upload that to YouTube, and you've got your captions that were created in Premiere now imported onto your YouTube video. I think it's a really quick and seamless way of adding captions onto your videos, and I'm slowly going to go through all of my YouTube videos and add captions using this technique because I think it is going to save us so much time and so much effort in the long run when we want to add captions onto our YouTube videos. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it and learned something, and let me know your thoughts on the new captions workflow in Premiere in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.